Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include differential, heavy-duty locking rear, air cleaner, high-capacity, rear-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, body, chassis cab, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.